tell you, I probably maybe shouldn't do this, but what the heck, I'm in my last year. I had an in-depth conversation with President Putin a while back about Syria and Ukraine, and he had read an article in the Atlantic that Jeff Goldberg had done about my foreign policy doctrine. And, he said, well, I disagree with some of the things that you said in there. And Jeff's a remarkable journalist who I admire greatly. And all the quotes that were directly attributed to me in there, I completely agreed with. I said, well, but, you know, some of the things that were shaped may not fully reflect all the nuance of my thoughts on the particular topic that President Putin was mentioning. But I pointed out to him, of course, that unlike you, Vladimir, I don't get to edit the piece before it's published.